Hi everyone. Welcome to our AI-based automated feedback group project developed during the summer of 2025 and continued as company-oriented project. This is an AI-supported platform designed to empower both teachers and students by providing intelligent, real-time, and personalized feedback for coding and objective exams. To get started, just click the Get Started button on the landing page. This will take you to the login window, where users, whether you're a teacher or a student, can log in by entering your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, no problem. Just click the sign up link. On the sign up page, you'll need to enter your name, email, and password. And it's important to select your role, either teacher or student, before creating your account. Once you sign up, your account will be created and you'll be redirected to the sign-in page. From there, simply use your newly created credentials to log in. Depending on your selected role, you'll be automatically directed to either the teacher dashboard or the student dashboard. That's it for the sign-up and login process. With just a few clicks, you're ready to explore the power of AI-driven feedback. Once logged in, the system automatically redirects to the teacher dashboard. On the left side, you'll find a navigation panel with the following options: Dashboard, your homepage; Configure exam, to create a new exam; Register course, to add a new course; Reports, to view exam analytics; Profile, your personal details; and of course, AI feedback. Let's focus on the main dashboard view. Here, the teacher sees a list of courses that they are currently enrolled in. Each course is shown as a course card, which includes course name, course code, a short description of the course.
Now let's take a look at how to register a new course. From the sidebar, click on Register Course, and it will take you to the course registration form. Here, you only need to fill in the course name, course description, and course code. Great, the form is ready. Let's go ahead and register the course. And that's it. The course has been successfully registered.
We'll walk through how to configure a new exam, from setting up the basic details to selecting the question type before proceeding to add questions. To get started, head over to the Configure Exam tab from the sidebar. You'll now be on the Configure New Exam page. In the Basic Information section, enter a suitable exam title, like Data Structures Final Exam. Select the relevant course from the drop-down list. Specify the exam duration in minutes. Then, set the start time and end time. This defines the period during which the exam will be available for students. Here, the teacher can provide detailed student instructions, like allowed materials, submission guidelines, or any special notes. These instructions will be visible to students during the exam. Then we have the grading configuration section. Teachers can write AI assessment guidelines here. These guidelines will be used by the AI system to evaluate the exam, for example, whether to deduct points for late submissions or require code documentation. Finally, select the question type. You can choose from multiple choice questions, essay, or code. Also, specify the total number of questions for the exam. Once all required information is filled, click Save and Proceed to Questions. This will take you to the question creation page. The next screen will vary based on the selected question type. For MCQs, you'll be guided to an MCQ entry interface. For essay and code types, you'll see a simplified interface, since those don't involve multiple choice options.
Once you've configured the exam, you'll land on the question creation screen. This is where you build your MCQs. You have two ways to create questions: type them manually, or let AI generate them automatically. Let's start with manual question creation. Here's the form. Simply fill in the required fields and click on Create Question button. The question will then be added to your list. Alright, the form's all set. Let's go ahead and create the question. Below, you'll see the preview table, which shows all the questions you've created or generated so far. Next, let's move to the AI-powered question generation form. At the top, you can see your AI usage for the day. It shows how many times you've called the AI API. Since we're using a free quota, the number of calls is limited. You can also select your preferred AI API from this drop-down. Here's the form to generate MCQ questions. You don't need to fill every field. Just complete the mandatory ones, then click on Generate Questions button. Alright, the form's all set. Let's go ahead and generate the questions. It's best to generate a few questions at a time, given the free version of the AI. Once generated, the questions will appear here. Use the checkboxes to select the ones you want. Then click on Add Questions button. If you try to add more than required, a warning will appear. After saving, the questions will show up in the preview table. You can delete or edit questions here. Clicking on Edit button opens the Edit dialog. If you needed, here you can adjust the questions and save your changes. It will appear in Question Preview table. Once everything is ready, click Save to add the questions to the exam. And that's it. All your questions are now saved and ready to go. This works the same for code and essay exams. The forms differ, but creating or generating questions is the same. Now let's take a look at how to edit or delete an existing exam and its questions. From the dashboard, select the course you want. Now you can see all the exams related to the course you selected. Each exam has a delete button on the right side. When you try to delete an exam, a confirmation message will appear. Once you confirm, the exam will be removed from the platform. If you want to edit an exam, simply click on the exam row. This will open the exam preview page, where you can see all exam details along with its questions. To make changes, use the Edit button on the top right corner. Here, you can update the questions and save the changes back to the exam. This example shows editing an essay exam. But the process is the same for MCQ and coding exams as well. Now let's take a look at the teacher side report section. This is the report's landing page. At the top, you'll see 3 drop-downs. Under the course, you can select any course you've created. In exam title, you'll see all exams related to that course. And in student name, you'll find all students enrolled in the course who are supposed to take the exam. In this section, you can generate 2 types of reports. Overall exam report and student-specific report. To generate the overall exam report, just select the course and exam. Then click on Generate Report button. The report will appear with all the basic data, as well as detailed graphs, charts, and tables. In the overall exam report, you can see the average score, average focus loss count, highest score, and average time taken. You'll also find a score distribution graph. A question accuracy breakdown. And a list showing which students have taken the exam and which haven't. Next, let's move to the student-specific report. To generate the student-specific report, select the student name along with course and exam. Then click on Generate Report button. Here, you'll see all the data related to that exam for a particular student. Submitted date, time taken per question, total score, duration, focus loss count, AI feedback summary, and a question-wise performance table showing all the exam questions. And that's a quick look at the teacher side reports. With these tools, you can track exam performance, identify trends, and get detailed insights for each student.
Once you open the AI feedback page, you'll arrive at the AI feedback selector interface. Here, the teacher begins by selecting a course from the drop-down. Only the courses assigned to that teacher will appear in the list. Next, the teacher selects the type of exam they wish to review, either MCQ, essay, or code. Based on the selected course and exam type, the system filters and displays a list of matching exams. Once the preferred exam is selected, its details are displayed automatically, including the title, duration, number of questions, exam type, and any student-facing instructions. This helps verify that the correct exam has been chosen before generating feedback. When ready, the teacher clicks Proceed to AI Feedback. They are now taken to the AI Feedback Generator page. At the top, there's a drop-down list, AI Feedback Provider, where the teacher can choose which AI API to use. Currently, the tool supports free APIs like Cohere AI and Open Router AI. Next, the teacher selects a feedback style, which loads predefined AI prompts to guide the feedback generation. These styles are tailored to the exam type. Here are the available styles. For MCQ exams, Standard Analysis, Quick Insight, Detailed Report, and Custom Prompt. For code exams, Error Analysis, Optimization Tips, Code Style Review, and Custom Prompt. For essay exams, Content and Relevance Focus, General Essay Feedback, Technical Accuracy and Completeness, and Custom Prompt. If the Custom Prompt option is selected, the teacher can enter their own prompt, giving full control over how the AI responds. Creating the perfect prompt isn't always easy. Not everyone has the time or expertise to craft a custom prompt, and sometimes the predefined options just aren't enough. That's why we're introducing dynamic AI-powered prompt generation. With this new feature, teachers can instantly generate smart, relevant prompt suggestions with a single click. The AI-powered options button sends the course, exam, and question details to the AI engine and returns a list of carefully crafted prompt ideas. Teachers can then review the generated cards and simply select the topics that fit their needs. Once selected, the system builds a tailored, high-quality prompt automatically. This gives teachers complete control and flexibility for any subject, for any exam type. And once the dynamic prompt is ready, teachers can proceed to generate accurate AI-driven feedback for their students. Once the feedback style is chosen or a custom prompt is written, the teacher clicks Generate Feedback. The system then gathers all relevant data, the selected exam's metadata, the student's submitted answers and performance. It combines this with the selected prompt and sends a request to the chosen AI provider. After a short wait, the AI-generated feedback is returned beautifully formatted to maximize clarity and usefulness. Teachers can also refine the feedback by clicking Modify Prompt. This brings them back to the generator page, where they can try a different style or adjust their custom prompt to get exactly the insight they need. There's also an option to download the feedback as a .txt file, using the Download.txt button great for saving or sharing. The system includes a built-in API call limiter. Each teacher is allowed up to 10 feedback requests per day. A counter at the top tracks usage in real time. If the limit is reached, the Generate Feedback button is disabled, and a message appears asking the teacher to try again tomorrow. This helps us control usage and keep costs low, especially when using paid AI API. And that's how our AI feedback generator works, giving teachers intelligent, flexible, and efficient insights into student performance.
When a student logs into the platform, the first screen they see is the dashboard. The dashboard displays all available courses, along with quick navigation to My Exams, Mock Exams, Results, and Profile pages. Next, we demonstrate how a student can enroll in a course. To join a course, the student simply clicks the Enroll to Course button in the list of all available courses. Once enrolled, the course appears in the Student's Enrolled Courses section. After enrolling, the student can open the course to view the available exams. Here, the system lists all exams that belong to the selected course. We then start a code exam. Inside the exam interface, the student can see a live countdown timer browser tab tracking, which records if the student switches away from the exam, and the built-in AI hint system. The AI hint feature provides support to help students think through the problem without giving the full answer immediately. The 3 types of hints available are Nudge Hint, a small clue to guide the student in the right direction. Scaffold Hint, a structured breakdown of the problem. Targeted Hint, a detailed and specific hint tailored to the student's current answer. In the video, we show how each hint type appears and how the student receives the hint inside the exam. In this video, we walk through the process of taking a multiple choice exam on the platform. When the student starts the exam, they immediately see the live countdown timer, along with the system's browser tracking indicator. This ensures a fair and secure exam experience. The MCQ exam also includes the built-in AI hint feature. Students can choose from 3 types of hints. Nudge hint, small clues to guide the student's thinking. Scaffold hint, a structured breakdown to help understand the concept. Targeted hint, a more detailed, accurate hint tailored to the specific question. Once the answers are chosen, the student is taken to the review answers screen. Here they can double-check their selections before submitting the exam. After clicking Confirm and Submit, the system instantly processes the responses and displays the marks obtained for that exam. Next, inside the completed exam section, the student can click the Review button for any past exam. This opens a detailed summary showing the score, AI-generated feedback, correct and incorrect responses, additional learning guidance. Finally, the video shows the full results page, which includes total score, number of browser tab switches, time taken AI feedback, overall exam details. When the essay exam opens, the interface displays both the live timer and the browser tracking indicator, ensuring a secure and monitored testing environment. The essay exam supports 3 different types of student responses: text only, writing the full answer in text form; diagram or image upload, for visual explanations or diagrams, both text and image; a combination of written and visual explanation. This flexibility allows students to express their understanding in multiple formats. When typing a text-based answer, the system also displays the live word count, helping students manage the length and quality of their response. After the student finishes writing or uploading their answer, they click Submit. At this moment, the AI feedback is not immediately displayed within the exam interface. To see the AI-generated evaluation, students must go to the completed exam section. When they click the Review button for the submitted essay exam, the platform displays AI feedback scores, comments on the response, additional guidance for improvement. This provides a detailed breakdown of their performance. In this video, we will walk through the diagram and image upload essay exam. When the exam opens, the interface first displays the browser tracking indicator along with the live countdown timer, ensuring a secure testing environment. Next, the student selects the diagram or image upload option. This option allows students to answer the question visually instead of typing text. After selecting the diagram option, the student uploads an image file, such as a chart, graph, or handwritten explanation. Once the image is uploaded successfully, a preview is displayed so the student can verify their answer. After uploading the image, the student clicks Confirm and Submit. The system processes the response for a few seconds. Once the evaluation is complete, the platform provides instant AI feedback for the diagram or image answer. The feedback includes the AI's interpretation of the uploaded diagram, accuracy. This video demonstrates how a student starts and completes a code exam. When the exam opens, the system shows the browser tracking indicator along with the live timer, ensuring a secure and monitored environment. Next, the exam displays the available AI hint options, which help guide the student without giving the final answer. The student then begins solving the problem by writing the code. After writing the solution, they click Run Code, and the platform immediately shows the output based on their submission. Once the student is satisfied, they click Submit. After submission, they can go to the completed exam section and open the review page. Here, they can see the full exam details, including their score, AI feedback code output, and other evaluation information. This completes the process of taking and reviewing a code exam.
Welcome to the mock exam page. Here, students can practice 3 types of assessments: MCQ exams, essay exams, and coding exams. Let me show you how each section works. First, I'll open the MCQ exam section. Here, the system displays all the MCQ-related courses that the student is enrolled in or assigned to. I will select a course from the list. I can also adjust the exam duration if I want to set a custom time limit. Now, I'll generate the exam. The system instantly creates 25 MCQ questions. As I answer each question, I receive immediate feedback showing whether my answer is correct or incorrect. At the top, I can see the timer counting down. The number of questions answered. I'll answer a few questions and submit the exam. I can submit either from the bottom Submit button or from the top right corner. After submitting, the system shows my selected answers, the correct answers, and my final score. The AI evaluates the responses and highlights the correct ones. If I want, I can reset the exam to retry the same questions or generate a new set of questions. Next, I'll move to the essay exam section. This area only displays courses that include essay-type questions. I'll select Introduction to Biology and generate an exam. The system produces 5 essay questions. I can type my answers directly here. For demonstration, I'll write a simple response and submit. After submitting, the system shows my answer, the ideal model answer, and the AI-generated feedback. The feedback appears within seconds and helps students understand the quality of their response and how to improve it. Finally, I'll go to the coding exam section. This section fetches only the coding-related courses. I'll select a course, and the system will generate coding questions for me. I can now type my solution in the answer area. For this demo, I'll just paste a sample response and click Submit. After I submit my coding answer, the system sends my response to the AI for evaluation. Within a few seconds, the AI provides comprehensive feedback, which includes the correct solution, an explanation of why the correct answer works, helping me understand the logic behind it, a breakdown of any mistakes in my code if there are errors. And that completes the walkthrough of the mock exam page. This part of the system helps students practice effectively and receive meaningful guidance instantly.
Now that we've seen how students can enroll in courses and view their exams, let me show you an important feature I developed to help students better manage and track their upcoming exams. This is the My Exams page with our new calendar view. Students can now visualize all their enrolled exams in an interactive calendar format, making it much easier to plan their study schedule and track preparation progress. At the top, students see quick statistics showing the total number of upcoming exams, how many are in progress, and how many haven't been started yet. In this example, we have 15 upcoming exams, 1 in progress, and 11 not started. Here is the upcoming exams calendar. Students can navigate between months using these navigation buttons. Notice we have options for today, back, and next to move through the calendar. Students can also switch between different views using month, week, and day buttons, depending on how they prefer to plan. Let me switch to week view, and now to day view. This flexibility helps students focus on what's most important at any given time. One of the key features is the color-coded preparation tracking system. Look at the calendar. You can see exam labels displayed directly on their scheduled dates. Each label shows the course code and exam type. The colors indicate preparation status. Red labels mean preparation has not started. Yellow indicates preparation is in progress. Green shows completed preparation. When you look at specific dates, you can see multiple exams. For example, on December 7th, we have DS 104, MCQ, and Math 102. MCQ. On December 10th, there's Math 102, Essay, and BJS 01, Essay. Below the calendar, students see detailed exam cards for each upcoming exam. Each card displays the course code and title, exam type, MCQ, essay, or coding, date and time information, duration, location and instructor details, a countdown showing days remaining, like here, 7 days until exam, syllabus information, important notes. Now here's the interactive part. Students can update their preparation status using the Update Preparation button on each exam card. Let me demonstrate. I'll click Update Preparation for this exam. Students can choose from 3 status options: Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Let me change this from Not Started to In Progress. Notice how the exam label on the calendar immediately changes color from red to yellow. This real-time synchronization helps students track their progress visually. Students can also filter their exam view using the Preparation Status dropdown here. This allows students to focus on specific stages: All status, Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Let me filter to show only Not Started exams. Now you can see just the exams that need immediate attention, helping students prioritize their study time. This calendar feature provides several key benefits for students. Visual planning, see the entire exam schedule at a glance. Progress tracking, color-coded system shows which exams need more preparation. Flexible views, day, week, and month options suit different planning preferences. Better time management, countdown timers, and visual indicators help with prioritization. So that's how the exam events calendar helps students stay organized and prepared. This visual approach transforms exam tracking from a simple list into an intuitive planning tool.
Thank you for watching our demonstration of the AI-based automated feedback tool. We appreciate your time and interest in our project.